This is why you need to know how to transfer USDT from SafePal to Binance. It's easier than you think. First, let's get ready. Make sure you have access to both your SafePal wallet and Binance account. Double-check your login credentials. Next, confirm the network you'll be using. USDT can be sent via ERC20, BEP20, or TRC20. Make sure both wallets are set to the same network to prevent any loss of funds. Now, let's get your Binance USDT deposit address. Log into Binance and head to Wallet, Fiat and Spot. Search for USDT and click Deposit. Choose the network that matches your SafePal settings, then click Copy Address. Time to send USDT from SafePal. Open the SafePal app and log in. Select USDT and tap Send. Paste the Binance address you copied earlier and ensure the network matches Binance. Enter the amount you want to transfer, leaving enough for network fees. Review all details carefully, then confirm and send. To verify, check the transaction status on SafePal. It'll show as pending. Then, monitor your USDT balance on Binance under Wallet, Fiat and Spot. Your funds should appear once the network confirms the transfer. If something goes wrong, double-check the transaction ID on the Blockchain Explorer. Make sure you selected the correct network on both SafePal and Binance. Contact their support if needed. And that's it. Transferring USDT from SafePal to Binance is simple when you follow these steps. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more crypto guides. Thanks for watching and see you next time.